Good morning, Peyton. I've got your 92 Ford F150 300 straight 6 computer here. It's a catch code J2E1, and that's part of the EFI Speed Density 47A style of computer. Complaint on this one is the engine and transmission are not running correctly, and there's issues with shifting and misfires. And I can see why. These capacitors are pretty bad. We'll get a close-up here in a second, but for now, let me just show you this bench test. So we turn it on and we've got this is power, this is check engine light, and this is fuel pump. Fuel pump should run for 1 second when you first turn the key on, and the check engine light should come on. And it does, so it's overall alive. You got 5 volts on the 5-volt regulator, that's good. And then when we go into code pulling mode, you're going to see the orange light flicker for a second, and then it's going to start spitting out codes. So it's doing that. This doesn't tell us everything about how it runs, but it does tell us overall it's a functioning computer. May not be functioning very well though. Alright, that takes care of that. Now let me get this thing loose where we can have a little better look at it. Okay. Let's see if I can zoom in for you here. The top capacitor is pretty grubby. It's definitely been leaking. You can see the kind of looks like it's burnt, but it's not really burnt. What you're seeing is just like the acid leaking out the bottom of the capacitors and corroding on the board. That one's not in such great shape for sure, but I've seen a lot worse. That'll probably clean up. The second one here, and this one right here, that one's pretty bad. Let's see if I can put a little more light on it for you. It's pretty heavily corroded. And the acid is leaking around on the board. That's what that dark stain spot is all around the base of that capacitor. But my concern about this one is this resistor over here. That looks pretty awful. This little resistor right here has actually got so corroded that I'm not sure that one's going to make it. We may have to replace that. And the board, I'm sure when there's that much corrosion on the resistor, that whole area of the board is going to be pretty suspect. And then there's this one. He's probably the biggest leaker. The lower one here. He's been dripping all over the place. He's actually stained, this is the microprocessor, he's stained the microprocessor and probably dripped under it a bit. So anywhere you see that kind of goldish brown fluid, it's not supposed to be there. Those pins are all supposed to be nice and silver. Yeah, there's a couple traces there that don't look too healthy. But I think it's repairable. I don't see anything that's going to ruin it. Usually when you see this like this, you go to remove the conformal coating and start scraping down the corrosion off the thing, and it's worse than it looks. So that's probably going to be a large part of your problem right there. This thing does have the original capacitors in it, so pretty long overdue. It would be nice if we could maybe have gotten to this one a little sooner. It's a little bit late in the day, but I think it's still salvageable. So my recommendation is we move forward.